Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video we are going to see about a plate boundaries. Okay, so boundaries is nothing but where the two plates meets. Okay, so where the two plates meets are at the edge of the plates. Okay, it is a edge of a plate, either in a boundary the two plates can be meet or two plates can move away from each other. So it is the edge of a two plates. Okay, so that is what is known as a boundaries. Usually the volcanic activities, the earthquakes usually occurs at these boundaries. Okay, due to the meeting or colliding of a plates or due to the volcanic activities. Okay, earthquake and volcanoes occurs in these plate boundaries. So the plate boundaries are classified into three types. Okay, based upon the movement of a plate. So divergent boundaries. So divergent boundaries is nothing but a when two plates, okay, when two plates move away from each other, and that boundary is known as a divergent boundary. As already seen in the previous videos, in a divergent boundary, there is a magma comes from an astrosphere which leads to the formation of a ridges in a divergent boundaries. So example is a mid-Atlantic ridges. Next one is the convergent boundaries. So convergent boundaries is nothing but a where the two plates meets or collides each other, and that zone, that colliding zone is known as a subduction zone. So there is a formation of a trenches in a subduction zone, and these boundaries is known as a convergent boundaries. So the convergent boundaries can be happen between that of a two continental plates or two oceanic plates, or between one continental plate and one oceanic plate. So the convergent boundary is a meeting or colliding place of two plates. Okay, it may be a continental plate or it may be a oceanic plates, or it may be a one continental and one oceanic plates. So the next thing that we are going to see is a transform boundaries. Okay, in a transform boundaries, one plate was moving in a one direction and another plate was moving in another direction, and there is a no collision. Okay, there is a no collision of a plates, and there is a no moving away of a plates from each other. So no collision, no moving away of a plates. So when the collision happens, what happens is that there is a formation of a trenches. The crustes will be destroyed in a collision. Okay, crust will be destroyed in a collision. When the plates move away from each other, what happens is that there is a magma coming out from the astrosphere, and the new crust was formed and the ridges was formed. Here there is a no collision and there is a no moving away of the plates. It is basically one place was moving in one direction and another place moves in another direction. So this boundary is known as a transform boundary. Here the crust is not created. Okay, the crust is neither created and not destroyed. So the new crust was not created and the existing crust was not destroyed. It is basically a movement of two plates in a separate direction. Okay, so this is what is known as a transform boundaries. So these are all the three major types of plate boundaries. Okay, thank you.